is if I have a business network, I will definitely that I need to monitor data from the SCADA server. I will need the tier two historian. Does that mean if I have the perpetual license, that will be an add-on? The
Yeah,
tier.
great question. So uh, people will still do VPN into the SCADA network, right? Whether it's they need to like remotely access their SCADA system from, from home, from the field, and they want to log into their SCADA system from their phone or a tablet or a laptop. So you still have that, right, that ability to, if you choose to, and most folks are now implementing, dual factor and multi-factor authentication to add additional, security beyond just the VPN appliance to get securely onto the network. So you still have, that those types of capabilities to access the SCADA network, but really the trend and the direction of industry and from a cybersecurity standpoint is yeah, let's, if we can avoid keeping people off that SCADA network, let's not have more people on the SCADA network than we need to. And so if it's just reporting that you need, it's just dashboards that you need, it's just read only, then yeah, putting that tier two historian or PI, in that business network or DMZ, certainly is a great way to go. And you can have a perpetual historian on the SCADA network, and you could have a subscription, Flex Pi system or tier two historian on the business network. So again, it doesn't have to be all one way or the other. You can have a mix of perpetual and subscription, or if it makes sense to go all subscription or all perpetual, it's up to you. You have that option. But yeah, we're always open to further investigate what your needs are and what the advantages would be of the options that are available. Does that answer your question?
Yeah,
Okay.
thank
Yeah,
you.
and just to add to that, as folks are needing to share data outside of their organization as well, and we're finding that's becoming increasingly common where you've got customers you need to share data with, you've got partners, agencies, partner companies that you want to share information with. Maybe you want to display information on your website, right? In terms of being able to share data with the public. We see that sometimes. Um, we do now have the ability also then to push the data from that tier two level in your business network to what we call Connect in the cloud, and that's an AVEVA hosted, software as a service environment where now you don't have to even get on the business network, right, to see your data, right, in real time. You can literally just, go to a web page, a website, or a mobile app and see your data, share your data securely with outside entities, right, internal and external, and share that data securely. And again, this is all outbound only, right? We're just pushing data one way in an encrypted way, and it's read only. There's no write back control, and there's no security credentials shared from, from the on premise to the cloud. So that's also becoming increasingly common that folks are needing to easily access this data in a web page without having to VPN into the plant, right? The business network or the SCADA network.